Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. On this occasion, I will trade again using the Vfxalert signal. Here, I will explain in detail, step by step, how to use the Vfxalert signal to always make a profit. So, make sure you watch this video until the end. The following are the first steps you must take. To start trading with Vfxalert signals, make sure you have an account first. To do this, please click on the description link below this video. This is a simple display of the Vfxalert signal. Select the signal type Forex trending with a duration of 1 minute, if we want to trade with a duration of 1 minute. Then make sure the market we choose is available in the Vfxalert signal application. You can see here, for the Euro-USD market in the 1 minute signal, the price is going down, which means we have to make a lower purchase. Make sure the signal strength is at least 3 bars like this.